What biology terms do you need for GED Science? If you are preparing for the General Educational Development Science test and want to focus on the Life Science section, you will need to know some important biology terms related to cells and organisms. Understanding these terms is essential for grasping how living things function at the cellular level. First up is the term cell. A cell is the basic unit of life, meaning all living organisms are made up of cells. There are two main types of cells you should be aware of. Prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. These cells are usually found in single-celled organisms like bacteria. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells do have a nucleus and other organelles enclosed within membranes. These cells make up plants, animals, and fungi. Next, let's talk about the nucleus. This organelle is found in eukaryotic cells and contains deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. DNA carries the genetic material that controls cell activities and reproduction. Within the nucleus, you will also find chromosomes, which are structures made of DNA that contain genes. Now, what are organelles? Organelles are specialized parts within a cell that perform specific functions. For example, mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy. Ribosomes are the sites where proteins are made. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell that holds all the organelles in place. Another important structure is the cell membrane. This semi-permeable barrier controls what enters and leaves the cell. In plant cells, there is also a cell wall that provides structure and protection. Additionally, chloroplasts are found in plant cells and are responsible for carrying out photosynthesis. Moving on, you should know about mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the process where a cell divides to form two identical cells, which is important for growth and repair. Meiosis, however, is a type of cell division that produces reproductive cells, such as sperm and eggs, with half the genetic information. Lastly, there is the cell theory. This scientific theory states that all living organisms are made of cells. Cells are the smallest units of life, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. By familiarizing yourself with these terms, you will be better prepared for questions related to life processes and the organization of living things on the GED Science test. Understanding the differences between cell types and the roles of various organelles will help you succeed in this section.